Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send a free text message by using these three websites. I'm going to be talking about these three websites and showing you how you can be sending a free text message to the people who want to be sending, and also you can be sending SMS to them without any charge. We are going to be seeing how you can be using them. If you did not subscribe to this channel CV, subscribe today, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV. As we start, here we have the first website, which is called AfreeSMS. When you come into your browser and you type AfreeSMS, this is going to be you can see you can send SMS for free. You can also see there are different countries. This platform allows you to send different message or different text message to different countries. You can see this platform, if you open it, you can see there are different continents and they show you. If you click on send free SMS, you can see that also they are going to be opening the SMS area where you can be able to select the country. It has a list of different countries that you can be selecting and also be able to send SMS to the given country you want. For instance, if you want to be sending it to United States, you can be choosing United States and also be able to fill out the details that are required and send a text message. Let's, for instance, choose the United States, and after choosing this, you are going to be seeing them also providing the phone number format that you are going to be filling out. Once you fill out this phone number, you are going to be also sending a text message. You need to ensure that your phone number is complete, and also once your phone number is complete, you need to type here the SMS to the person you want to be sending the SMS to, and after that you can be able to come here and verify. You can see you need to come and fill out these details. They give you the characters that you have to put here to be able to verify. After this verification, also you can be able to send your text message. Also, this site allows you to send the text message or SMS, which is maximum of 157 characters. That means you cannot go beyond or to send a long text message to the people that you want to be sending to. However, the advantage of this platform is that you can be able to send a text message or SMS to any person in any country, even though you can be able to send a short message. The second website or platform that you can use to send the SMS for free is called Send SMS Now. If you search in your laptop or in your browser or either in your phone, you can be able to use your phone, you can be able to use your laptop, but if you search it, you can see Send SMS Now. Once you open it, here is Send SMS Now. They are saying that it's text messaging by Send SMS Now. What I need to open this platform, and also after opening this platform, I'm going to be going to the area that I can use to send my SMS. After opening it, you can see I click there and I open it. After opening it, now you can see they are giving me the areas where I can be used to log into an account, but I don't have to do so. However, I have to scroll down and come to this area where I can see that this is the SMS area, and I can be able to choose to send my text message to the person I want to be sending it to. As you can see, you have to come here and choose the country in which you are going to be sending the SMS to, and also you need to be able to type the phone number that you want to be sending the SMS to. This is a great platform also because it allows you to send a free text message. However, there are some disadvantages, like not being able to send to the people who are in some countries, because as you can see, this platform offers you to send text message or SMS to limited number of countries or limited number of people who are in different countries. You can see some countries are not here, which means you can be able to send text message to some people in the given countries, but it doesn't support other countries, which means it might be the limitation for you. Here you have to choose from someone, then also you type your text message and also be able to send it. As you can see, there is text message, or there is a counter, or the characters counter is going to be counting every character you are typing there, and also you will be having to type the characters. Once you are done, you will be having seen the characters you have there. The third one is TextTemp. TextTemp is another platform that you can use to send out free SMS or free text message, and also this is helpful for you because it can be able to help you send the given text message for free without any charge. With your internet, with your phone, with your laptop, you can use TextTemp to send text message. After searching it in my browser, I have to open this platform, and also I have to open it. As you can see, this is the platform that I'm going to be using to send my text message, and also this is the text message or the SMS area where you have to compose your text message and also be able to send to someone. After having filled your phone number and filled your text message you want to be sending, also you need to be coming here below and also be able to verify that you're not a robot. Once you have verified, you need also to agree the process, then you send the text message. You can also choose to add the email address, but this is an optional field that you can be able to fill. Also, what you need to do, you need to ensure that you choose the provider. You can see there are a lot of providers here that you have to select from, the ones you are going to be using to send a message. But also the problem here is if you are going to be sending the text message, is that it only supports some more limitations, which means there are limitations to the people who are in the United States, mostly because if you are going to be seeing the providers here, most of them are in the United States. So even though it can be allowing you to send a text message for free, but the limitation is that it only supports those most providers which are from United States, which means if you are from another country, or if you are trying to send a text message outside of the United States or outside of those limited providers, you cannot be able to send a text message. With these options or with these steps, you can be able to send a lot of message a day. Depends on what you want, either 1,060 message, also either 100,000. It all depends on your purpose, it all depends on your goal, it all depends on what you are sending message to. And also with these platforms, you can be able to send the text message without any charges. Thank you for watching this video. You can be able to do this on your phone. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this with your friends, and remember to turn on the notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.